In the establishment process of TCP socket connection, one program initiates connection request and another one listen and accept that request to complete the connection. Once the connection is established, both programs can send and receive data. Now, it's time to show some basic examples of TCP socket connection in Java. At the first, I create two classes, connection builder class for connection initiating side and connection receiver class for connection listen and accept side. First code the connection initiate side. For now, I'm using loopback IP address as both programs going to run in single PC. Once it works properly, I'll use actual device IP for inter-device connection. For my test, I have chosen port 8080. You can choose any port from 1024 to 67535. Be aware, sometimes some ports are reserved by system or other application. Import the Java Net socket. Create a socket class instance with IP address and port. Make sure to create any socket class instance inside the try and catch block. If the socket class instance created without exception means it's successfully connected. Otherwise, if it throws exception, something is wrong. Now, let's code connection receiving side. Both program has to use same port. Create an instance of server socket class with their port. Then use the accept function of server socket instance. The accept function listen and accept the connection. Then return that connection as socket class instance. Make sure to code these socket operation inside a try and catch block. Now let's run these programs to check they're able to connect or not, and make sure that the connection receiving program started first. You can see that our test socket program connected successfully. Now let's transfer some data through sockets. To perform data transfer, you have to use input streams and output streams. Byte data written in socket A's output stream is readable from socket B's input stream, as well as byte data written in socket B's output stream is readable from socket A's input stream. First import Java I/O package for I/O operation, then get output stream from socket. I'm using printStream class from Java I/O package. This class helps to write text data on output stream. You can close a connection by simply call the close function of socket. For reading, get the input stream from socket. I'm using scanner class from Java util package to read text data from input stream. Let's run these programs for data transfer test. You can see our data transfer test also went successfully. This test only represents single-way data transfer. Let's make these program to send and read both way. Out of this test also went successfully. Now let's go for inter-device communication via network. I copied the Connection Builder class in my Android phone and loaded into AIDE application. For inter-device communication, I copied my computer's IP address to my phone. Let's run our inter-device socket communication test. Our inter-device socket communication test also went successfully. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, tell me in the comments. In the next video, I'm going to build peer-to-peer multiplayer in its magic engine using TCP socket.